In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in Squarespace with smooth scrolling. Anchor links let visitors jump to a specific part of a page, and with smooth scrolling, the movement feels polished and easy on the eyes. It's perfect for long pages like FAQs, services, or product details where you want quick navigation without leaving the page. Start by opening your page in the Squarespace editor and choose the exact section you want people to land on. This is the destination for your link, so pick the section that contains the content you want to highlight. Hover over that section and click Edit Section to open its settings. Inside the section settings, look for the Anchor Link option. Squarespace automatically generates a unique anchor for each section. Click the copy icon next to it. This copies a link that starts with a hash symbol, like a short tag for that section. Using the provided anchor ensures it matches the section precisely and helps avoid typos or broken links. Next, decide where visitors will click to jump to that section. This could be a piece of text in a paragraph, a heading, or another text element on the same page. Click into that text block, highlight the exact words you want to make clickable, and then click the link icon in the text toolbar to open the link editor. Paste the anchor link you copied into the link field. Make sure it includes the hash at the beginning, because that tells the browser to stay on the same page and scroll to the matching section. Confirm the link and apply your changes. Now it's time to test. Click Preview at the top right of the editor so you can see the page without the editing overlays. In the preview, click the linked text you just created. You should see the page glide down smoothly to the destination section. This smooth movement is built into most Squarespace templates, so you don't need to add any extra code. If the scroll stops slightly above or below your intended content, consider adjusting the spacing in that section so the important text or heading sits comfortably below any fixed header. Also note that anchor links work best on the same page. If you ever need to link from another page, use the full page URL followed by the same anchor. When you're happy with the result, return to the editor and save your changes. And that's it, clean, smooth scrolling anchor links in just a few clicks.